Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has called out former Prime Minister Imran Khan on what he says are Imran's attempts to make the new army chief appointment controversial. Addressing a detailed press conference on Saturday, the foreign minister and leader of the PPP also said that the army chief's appointment was solely the prerogative of the prime minister and that the PTI chairman needed to let the process be completed. The foreign minister also spared very few words regarding the role of President Arif Alvi in this increasingly messy situation, warning the president not to create any trouble by doing something wrong and unlawful, and saying this was the president's last chance and a test to stand with the constitution instead of Imran. Bilawal Bhutto's stern advice to the president comes despite President Alvi reportedly saying that he would follow PM Shehbaz Sharif's advice on the army chief appointment and that he did not have the legal authority to stop the PM's advice. The PTI has taken exception to Bilawal's words, calling it a threat to the president. Apart from his statement regarding the president, Bilawal may not be that off the mark regarding Imran Khan's intentions with his long march. On Saturday, the former PM gave a call to his supporters to reach Rawalpindi on November 26. There is little reason to prolong the PTI's rally/march to Islamabad or Pindi. Political observers see few coincidences in politics and the PTI's continuous attempts to extend its arrival in Pindi seem to conveniently be in harmony with the announcement of the new army chief. Also, on Saturday, Imran once again spoke about the imported government, the need for early elections, and of a somewhat subdued foreign conspiracy angle. There had already been analysis that, while Imran had been claiming that his long march for Hakiki Azadi was about freedom and early elections, in reality it was more to do with the November amendment. It is not clear, given recent political changes and the current COAS's farewell tour, just what Imran wants to achieve by creating a controversy regarding this appointment. Constitutionally speaking, there is little doubt that it is the lawful prerogative of the sitting Prime Minister to appoint the new chief. Why would a former PM or the opposition leader be consulted in the appointment process? But Imran and his party evidently think otherwise. PM Shehbaz Sharif had also recently revealed how he had been approached by Imran through a messenger to form a consensus on the new chief. The request was not entertained. The political chaos we have seen in the past few months seems to mainly stem from one man's refusal to see processes as sacrosanct, whether the constitutional right to a vote of no confidence or the matter of appointing a state official or the timing of a general election. Oddly enough, Imran wants to be consulted even while calling the whole government affairs and resigning from the National Assembly with his entire party. The PTI's mixed signals include